All right, so this very first training is going to be just an overview of your course dashboard. So you're here at the landing page, at the LMS page, coursecreativ.com, and you'll go into the login here. So we'll log in our user account. Okay, so we're at the dashboard. And as you can see here in the header, there's a couple links. This is the dashboard. It will just bring you back to this page right here. This is the My Courses, where you can actually view your courses that you create. And right here is your blog, and we'll touch base on that. And there's a video for every single aspect of anything. So if you want to learn more about it, all you got to do is go into the training on the training page and just look for whatever you're looking for, whatever topic, and there's more details about it. So once again, this is just an overview. So we'll go back to our dashboard. And the very first thing that you'll notice, you have your profile here. This is where you can go and edit your profile. And this is for your profile page. Right here is where you can edit the settings of your profile. For example, your picture, your calendar settings, etc. So we can click on this real quick just so you can get an idea what it looks like. So right here, you can change your password, set your preferred language, etc. There's one thing here, it's called security keys. You don't need to worry about those. Those are automatically generated for you. But you'll never do anything with this. This is for system only. So, all right, so let's just go back to our dashboard. And just so you can see what a profile page looks like when it's set up. So we'll just click on the profile. And this is a profile page for this test user right here. And these takes you out to different links. And the main thing right here is welcome to my courses. And this only displays your courses. And you can see here, there's just different things that can be set on here. It's a drag and drop page builder where you can create a complete landing page. But once again, there's a video that shows you exactly how to set up your profile. So no need to worry about that. And if you see where you see this information down here, this is not public. This is only for you to be able to see. So let's go back to our dashboard. It helps if I click on it. And this is the create course button. This is where you'll go and create your course. And there's a video, couple videos after this one actually, where you'll create your first course. So this right here is your insights, where it shows your course sales, and you can go through and you can choose by the date range, by the course name, by the product type, whether it's a course or a subscription, and by the provider. And of course, you can also see if there's a repeating customer. So you can use all these. So for example, we'll just choose one here. Now there hasn't been any test sales in here for quite some time. So I'm just gonna go back to June 14th, and we'll click till just today. And we'll leave all these here because I can't remember which ones have been used for the test selling. But anyways, so we'll just click apply. So this gives you your figures right here. If you scroll all the way over, it's the total sales. Now, if we want to be more specific, for example, if we want to know how many of these are courses and how many have been done through PayPal, then we'll just click those and then we'll click apply again. And only one of those sales have been through PayPal. And we'll click subscription and Stripe and apply. I don't know if there's been any subscriptions sold. Nope, no subscriptions sold. All right, so click course and leave it at Stripe and course, and we'll click apply. And once again, when you're done, you can always just reset it. And it'll take you from origination till current day. All right, so right here is your, where it just shows that you're the person logged in, your username, this country you reside in, your email. This is your Zapier connection. This is where you will create your Zapier connection. So, and over here, like I said, this is also shows you the courses that you're either teaching or courses that you're enrolled in. Because as an instructor, you can enroll in other instructors' courses. This is upcoming events that's created from your calendar. You can click right here, click go to calendar. And right here is where you'll see where you can create new events or if you're invited to events. And there's a video that explains more in detail how the calendar works. So we'll just go back to our dashboard. But overall, pretty simple interface that does a lot of complex things. And if you go all the way down here, here's another calendar. So you got two different places. You actually have three different places because we need to cover these icons up here. But this is the landing page dashboard. So if we come up here to the very top, all right. So right here, it just shows us what language everything's in for you specifically. This right here is where you can put it in night mode. So if you're working at night, it does actually make a difference. This is where you have notifications. So if there's a system notification or if you have notifications coming in from, for example, quick mails or anything like that, and you'll be notified right here. You'll see a bell and you'll see like the number of notifications right here beside to the right of the bell. This is where you chat. So just click this, and this is where you can chat with your students. And right here is the preferences settings. So it takes you to the exact same page that this takes you to. So you got dashboard, the site home. So dashboard is obviously right here. Site home is the front page where it has the blog and the marketplace, course marketplace. Then you have this right here. You click on this for your private files. And the private files is just where you can upload files that you may use repeatedly, like images or things like that you can access. So, and of course you can upload those images all throughout the system, but this is just a singular location where you can actually store them at if you choose to do so. Okay, and last one underneath our profile pic is these series of links right here. This one takes you to the profile page. Now this one right here takes you to your account dashboard. So that takes you back where you can manage your account, your subscription, your order, your address, your credit card payment, things like that. So that's what this link does here. Like I said, this is the third way you can get to your calendar. This is takes you to the private files again, preferences that we've already went over. And then this right here is the switch role to, and this allows you to view what your students will view. So if you click switch role to, and then you'll select student or teacher, like if you added a teacher as a user and you want to see what they could see. But for this example, we'll just choose student. And now this isn't really applicable to the dashboard. So this is, for example, this is the only thing that they have on their dashboard. They don't have the blog and they don't have a lot of the things that you have. But the real reason for that, for this functionality is when you're actually creating a course and you want to see the course layout and exactly how the students will see it. So we'll go to return to my normal view. And we'll just click back on our dashboard here. And like I said, the third thing that I said we'd come back to is the blog. And this is where you'll come to create your blog post. So you'll just come down here and add new entry and create your blog post. And once again, there's a video that shows you, walks you through everything you need to know about that. So I believe that is it as far as the introduction to the dashboard overview. It's pretty simple. Like I said, simplistic, but it's extremely powerful in the functionality that it provides. So I will see you guys in the next video.